Hi, I'm Nikki, and welcome to Nikki's Storybook. Today is day one of this YouTube channel, so definitely it is going to be all about introduction. So we get to know each other better, especially you get to know me better, and follow me along on this journey. Hi, I'm Nikitasha, and Nikki is my short name. I am 27 years old. I live in Delhi, India, and right now, literally thriving in my life. I once used to be a 9 to 5 girly, and eventually it burned the hell out of me, and I had to leave it all behind last year. After that, it took me some time to accept that maybe I'm not meant for this thing. And since I had the resources, opportunity, and so much of support from my family, that I am here thriving and trying to build my own thing from scratch. Now, about my personality. It is filled with a lot of books, reading, art, Taylor Swift, animals, anime, Disney, so many things. I am an avid reader. I read a lot. Fantasy fiction is my favorite genre, but I don't shy away from trying anything new. These days, I'm reading Alchemized by Senlin Yu, and that book is growing on me. Like, the characters Helena and Kane are ingrained in my veins now. Just think about them all the time. Talking about books, I am also a very avid writer. Although I wouldn't say that I have done much about it, but since childhood, I've always heard that I can do something better with it. So, right now, I am also writing my debut novel. Initially, it was supposed to be a fantasy fiction, but then it flipped to contemporary romance because of something that happened, which we'll talk about later. But right now, just the intro. So, yeah, I am writing a contemporary romance novel. I also own a small business of bookmarks and stickers. I plan to expand it super soon and it is going pretty well. I recently got a few orders which make me smile. Even one order makes me smile. And I've got some international besties who support me through this. So, yeah, it is lovely. Selling my art has been my dream and it is really coming true these days. I love being with animals and I get withdrawal symptoms if I'm kept far away from them for too long. I have a doggo at home who keeps me sane and on and off cats who keep visiting us. I'm a huge Swiftie. I love Taylor Swift. The way she writes her lyrics, the music, everything is in such depth that I just couldn't fathom how her mind is conjuring those things. And she has full potential of being a superb English teacher, and considering my love for art and literature, of course, I love her. I love dark academia vibes and early 2000s Barbie core at the same time, and I don't think I'll ever be able to outgrow my love for anything animated, be it anime, Barbie, Disney, Pixar, anything. I just love fantasy fiction and animation. Coming back to what exactly this page is going to be. This is going to be a safe space where we talk about anything and everything. I have a lot of things that I do in my life, such as writing a book currently, running a small business, building my whole life practically. And I love to do long form videos. Around 5 to 6 years back, I used to make my own videos as daily vlogs on Snapchat, but I never posted them. It was all private. So this time I thought, why not do it publicly and let's see, let's find people who might want to join in that journey. So yeah, this is the whole agenda of this channel. You'll be just getting the unfiltered me and my life, and if you follow along, we'll together build something nice. Talking about my life, I need to introduce you to three of my really important friends who help me in three of my sectors. So in my life, I have a partner who is really, really dear to me. He's been with me since I was 4 years old. So here we go. His name is Puppy, and he is with me since I was actually 4 years old. He's kind of old, considering a stuffed toy, but hey, we don't call them a stuffed toy. We don't call him a stuffed toy, we call him Puppy. His spelling says Pupie. When I mentioned that I have a small business, I have a partner there as well who helps me everywhere, in every aspect of it. And here we have his name is Dustin. He's a capybara with a beautiful, cute strawberry on his mouth. And now for the big guy. So on my Instagram channel, I have this big guy all over it. We usually shoot together. There are pictures of him, stories of him, and yeah, I won't be able to move him. He's a big guy. Here we are. His name is Shinzo. Shinzo and I are content partners and we create Instagram content together. So I believe you'll be seeing all three of them on this channel all together as well. I would say this should be enough for the starters, and let's stick together and figure out more about each other. I'll see you soon with my next video. The videos drop every Friday, so subscribe, hit that bell icon, and stay with me. I would love to have you join my journey. It would be awesome to see how things come out to be. Also, if you have any feedback or just want to talk to me, just write to me anything. I just get super excited when I meet new people or just have a word with you. Hope you have a great weekend. See you next Friday. Bye.